take me rude, but I would just stand and stare.
Hi guys, and welcome back to VoNailz Academy. I really wanted to thank everyone who participated in the giveaway for Christmas and New Year. I hope that the winners enjoy their full set of 20, and don't worry, there will be more giveaways in the future. So just stay tuned, follow our Instagram to stay updated. And today we'll be doing a custom set for Blue Camo. If you haven't seen Blue Camo, you can go back and see a previous video. But it is a customized set. So she asked for snowflakes instead of the camo design. So let's just get into it and start this set. I'm pretty excited. I love when you guys make variations to what I've already done, and I'm really excited to see how it comes out. So first we're going to shape and buff the nails, and once I do that I will be back on camera to do the next step. Okay, the nails are shaped and buffed. She wanted oval, and we're gonna go ahead and do the 3 base layers of gel since nothing in this set will be encapsulated. And I'm going to do those 3 base layers with IBD hard gel. I usually get the 2 ounce. It lasts forever, and I can get a lot of sets out of it, and it's just really clear. So I'm going to go ahead and do the 3 coats, and I will be back afterwards. I'm back, and I have just finished the 3rd layer. So these all have 3 layers of base gel, and I'm going to do all except the middle finger using the color tail in GO4, and on the middle finger I'm going to be using Elite 99 and the number 4209. It is a chameleon gel polish, which means it changes color from light blue to dark blue. I'm going to I think do 3 layers, maybe 3 layers of the color shift and 2 layers of the light blue. We'll just have to see exactly how it turns out to see if I determine it to be a different color. And this one is so pretty. Depending on the type of tip you use or the type of nail that you use, regardless of the polish, if you use a white base, a clear base, or a natural base, they're all going to look different depending on how the opaqueness is underneath. So that's why I am trying to contemplate. I think I'm going to do 2 coats of this color and 3 coats of the color changing nail polish.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Alright guys, we've got our colors, we've got our hands. Let's put them like this. This one just came out of the lamp, and she has specifically requested that instead of doing camo, that we do snowflakes. And I'm going to do the pointer finger, the pinky, and the middle finger with a few snowflakes. And I'm also going to be doing the pointer finger, the ring finger, and the middle finger on this hand for the snowflakes as well. And she said she would still like the piercings, so I'll be adding that as the last step. So for now, just enjoy me painting snowflakes. Using my dotting tool, I'm going to go into the white and I'm going to make one snowflake in the center. Obviously that's not the center of the nail, but this is going to be the center of the snowflake. And then get a little bit more using lighter pressure. And then I'm gonna get my brush with a very, very fine tip. I'm gonna go into the white, just on the tip. I'm actually gonna wipe a little bit of that off. I want it to focus. Just a little bit, and then I'm gonna connect them. Got a little bit of a shaky hand, but just take your time. You're not in a rush. And then if you mess up, you can definitely take it off with alcohol or, yeah, alcohol actually, not acetone. Don't use acetone. And just take your time with it. We're not in a rush. Just gonna keep going. And I'm gonna be quiet now and you guys can just see the rest of the process. We're back, you guys, and look, they turned out really pretty. I've never, well, I won't say I've never done snowflakes, but not as a personalization before, and I'm really, really loving how they turned out. Just a couple of them here and there, and I really love the dark ones. Those were the ones that really like set me off. And I am trying to figure out, she didn't ask for it, but you know, I just put a little spin on it, and I was thinking I could put some blue jewels on the center of some of them, and I thought that would look really, really cute. And I didn't think she would mind. If she does, definitely contact me and tell me you didn't like the design, and I will rectify it by a coupon code, a new set. It just depends on the circumstances, but I want you guys to love what you wear. So I'm just throwing in some of my own ideas, but of course, if you don't like the end result, you can always contact me at VoNailz, VoNailzZZZ at gmail.com, and or you can DM me on Instagram, and we'll definitely figure out how we can rectify whatever mistake was made. I'll be back with the jewels. Alright, you guys, I've just cured these nails. Hopefully I got all the footage. I decided to go ahead and add jewels because I just thought it would look so cute to this set. And honestly, I love it. Okay, now I am going to start putting in the piercings, and that is the last step to this look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for the customization. And also, if you made it through the entire video, use code FREE5 for $5 off your order. And that code never expires, so you can use it whenever. Let's go ahead and pierce the nail. Alright, you guys, the set is done and it is going to be shipped off today. This is it, the finished look. I love that I added the jewels. I think it just added a little oomph to it. And I've got to get pictures, but I got the new logo on it, a little crooked, but you know. A little crooked, but it's okay, it's okay. I'm really happy with this set. It turned out perfect. Turned out really pretty. I didn't know what to expect with the snowflakes, but I really love it. And don't forget, you guys, this is a color changing nail polish, so my hand's not warm enough, but it will change colors from light blue to dark blue, and I'm really happy you guys got to see it. And this is a personalization, so don't forget, take advantage of it. Ask me for different things, ask me for new ideas, crazy ideas. Just go for it, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.